Well, hello there. I am Meriwether Lewis, missing my Clark Kent. We have arrived on behalf of the United States. We control these lands now, but we should be friends.
Hello Louis, I am Sacagawea. My French husband and I would enjoy accompanying you on your journey westward.
But you just had a baby. You'll get in the way. You're not even worth one gold dollar coin.
Oh, but I will be soon. The presence of a woman will make your party seem peaceful.
That is a good point.
There are a lot of daunting challenges ahead of you, Louis, but I will guide you through all of them. Maybe I will find my brother and family.
What happened to them?
I was taken from them when I was just a little girl. Then, I was sold to my husband.
I am so sorry to hear that. We shall take good care of you. What was your name? We'll just call you Janie. And when your son is born, he shall be nicknamed Little Pump.
That sounds like a plan to me.
Excellent, Janie. We will most certainly need the help of the local Indians in order to achieve our final goal of reaching the West Coast. Also, our journey will be treacherous without the aid of horses, so we must obtain those as well.
I shall try my hardest to get these things, Louis.
Thank you, Janie. Now, is there anything else that I should know about?
These will be many great landforms, Louis. From plains to mountains to great rivers to the vast expanse of the sea. You shall lay eyes upon riches that you have never even dreamed of, and most importantly, you will acquire a taste for dog meat during this trip.
Wow, dog. Janie, this sounds amazing. I can already tell that you are a great, brave girl.
Thank you so very much, Louis. Now, there is no time to spare, Tilda. We must move westward.